Tracking customer feedback and issues in your CRM is essential to improving your service and keeping customers satisfied. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. If you've struggled with figuring out how to track customer feedback or handle issues in your CRM, stay tuned because you're about to learn a fast and effective process. First, let's talk about setting up a system for capturing feedback. Most CRMs allow you to create custom fields or forms for feedback. Start by designing a simple form that your team can use to log issues or feedback after every customer interaction. The key here is simplicity. Make sure the form is easy to use so that your team can input data quickly without disrupting their workflow. Next, categorize the feedback. Whether the feedback is positive or negative, sorting it by type helps you track recurring issues or trends. Create categories like product issues, service issues, or positive feedback. This way, you can easily identify areas needing attention. You can also tag feedback based on priority, so urgent issues stand out and get resolved faster. Now, let's get into how to track these issues over time. Use your CRM's reporting features to generate reports based on the feedback data. This can give you insights into which areas are causing the most problems and allow you to track how well those issues are being addressed. The software we'll be using today has a reporting dashboard that makes this super easy to do. It pulls in data from all your interactions, allowing you to see patterns in customer feedback all in one place. You can also automate notifications to ensure that the right team members are alerted to issues in real time. For example, if a customer reports a product defect, an automated alert can be sent to your product team so they can address it immediately. This feature can help improve your response time and make sure no issue slips through the cracks. Another great feature in most CRMs is the ability to create follow-up tasks based on customer feedback. For example, if a customer expresses dissatisfaction with your service, you can assign a follow-up task to your team to reach out to the customer and resolve the issue. This ensures that feedback doesn't just sit in your CRM, it leads to action. Before we move on to the key takeaway, here's an exclusive offer for you. I've tested out several of the most popular CRMs, and this software stands out when it comes to tracking customer feedback and issues. If you want to follow along with the tutorial, I've got a link in the description for an exclusive free trial just for you, the viewers of my channel. You won't find this offer anywhere else, so take advantage of it and start improving your CRM today. Now, let's wrap up. The key takeaway from this video is that to effectively track customer feedback and issues in your CRM, you need to create a simple feedback system, categorize the feedback, use reporting to spot trends, automate alerts for quick responses, and assign follow-up tasks to ensure resolution. And remember, if you want to test out the software I mentioned, check the description below for your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial before it's gone.